Hi, everyone. Have you ever felt like maintaining friendships and relationships is harder than it should be? Maybe you struggle to keep in touch, don't know what to say, or feel awkward reaching out. If that sounds familiar, you're not alone. The Art of Showing Up by Rachel Wilkerson Miller is all about mastering the skill of connection, both with yourself and others. In today's world of constant notifications, but surface level interactions, real connection takes effort. But don't worry, I've got the key takeaways to help you show up for the people in your life and build deeper, more fulfilling relationships. Before you can show up for others, you need to show up for yourself. This means understanding your own needs, boundaries, and emotions before expecting to be a great friend or partner. Ask yourself, what drains me? What energizes me? What kind of social interactions actually fulfill me? Learn to set healthy boundaries. Saying no isn't rude, it's necessary. Prioritize self-care, not just bubble baths, but real, intentional time to recharge. Think about it. If you're constantly running on empty, how can you genuinely be there for others? Self-awareness isn't selfish. It's the foundation of strong relationships. Once you're in tune with yourself, you can show up better for the people in your life. But what does that actually mean? It's not about grand gestures, it's about consistency and presence. Be the person who checks in. Send a simple, "Hey, thinking of you" text. It matters more than you think. Listen actively. Instead of waiting for your turn to speak, really hear what the other person is saying. Show up when it counts. Birthdays, bad days, big days, people remember who was there. I used to assume people knew I cared about them. But when I started actually reaching out first, my relationships transformed. People want to feel valued, and small actions make a huge impact. Maybe you're thinking, but what if I feel awkward reaching out? Good news, you don't have to be perfect. Relationships aren't about never feeling awkward, they're about pushing through the awkwardness anyway. Worried about what to say? Keep it simple. "Hey, I saw this and thought of you." Haven't talked in a while? Acknowledge it. "I know it's been a minute, but I wanted to check in." Not sure if they want to talk? Give them space, but don't assume they don't care. Awkwardness is temporary, but the regret of not reaching out lasts way longer. Friendships don't thrive on autopilot. They need intentional effort, but that doesn't mean it has to be exhausting. Use reminders. Put birthdays or check-ins on your calendar. Find easy ways to stay in touch. A meme, a voice note, a quick "how's your week going?" Don't overthink it. Every conversation doesn't have to be deep. Small, consistent actions matter. I used to be terrible at keeping in touch, but when I started treating relationships like plants, watering them regularly instead of waiting until they were dying, I noticed my friendships grew stronger than ever. If you've ever felt disconnected or struggled to maintain relationships, the key isn't luck, it's effort. The Art of Showing Up teaches us that relationships thrive when we take the time to nurture them. So here's your challenge. Reach out to one person today. Send a quick message, check in, or set a reminder to call someone. Small steps lead to stronger connections. Which tip resonated with you most? Drop a comment below. Want to read the book? Grab it using the link in the description below this video. Subscribe for more insights on relationships, self-growth, and personal development. Until next time, show up, stay connected, and make relationships matter.